Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Monday, January 30th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I've been with LiveGood for 40 days today. I joined back on December 21st of 2022, and I thought I would do a quick update video to show you my results after being with this company for 40 days. So I'm just going to log into my back office here. All right, you can see that I'm in my back office here. It says Russ. Welcome Russ, you're in control. And I'm just going to go down here and click on my earnings. Okay, so you can see right here, I joined on December 21st, 2022. That was this week right here. I referred one person and I earned $25. The second week I was in here, I earned $200. This is the monthly matrix and matching bonus pay that you get every month, and you have to be with the company for 1 month to receive this. So I'll receive my first matrix and matching bonus pay the first week of February. All right, so that's why this says 0. The third week that I was part of LiveGood, I earned $165. The fourth week, I earned $304.50. And this past week, as you can see 4 days ago, we got paid, and I earned $247.50. So I'm going to whip out the calculator here. And we're going to do this here. 25 plus 200 plus 165 plus 304.50 plus 247.50 equals $942 that I've made from fast start commissions since I've been with this company. That's both from personal referrals and then on my second, third, and fourth levels I earn because I'm ranked silver. Okay, so $942 I've earned so far. And then I'm just going to go over here and show you my rank. All right, here you can see that I have 16 personal referrals that I brought into the company. We have a total team of 334 people in our downline right now. All right, this is huge, folks. I've never had anything this big, this quick in all of my 16 years of network marketing. And here you can see I need one more leg with silver on it to reach the gold rank, to rank up to gold. All right, and I have a couple people that are really close to doing this. So I know I said last week or the week before I thought it'd be a week or two out, but I'm thinking within the next week or two I should be ranked up to gold. All right, so our team is growing like crazy. I've never seen anything like this in the network marketing industry in all of my 16 years. And I'm just going to show you this. Well, actually, while I'm here, so 334 people, and this continues to go up every single day. But just for right now, let's clear this out. So we have 334 people. Now, in the matrix, you get paid 2.5% of the $10, the monthly fee. All right, so you earn 25 cents for everybody who is under you in the matrix. Whether you personally bring them in or it's spillover or somebody from one of your personal referrals, okay? You earn 25 cents on everybody in this. Right now, my matrix has 334 people in it. So if I times that by the quarter, this is an $83.50 monthly residual income that I have already with this company. All right. So if nobody gets done, if the numbers stay the same, which they're going up every hour of the day, but if these numbers were to stay just as they are right now with 334 people in my matrix, I would earn an additional $83.50 every single month. And that's not including the matching bonuses. Okay. So with the matching bonuses, I'm well over $100, probably closer to $150 in monthly residual income right now. Okay, so far with this company, I've made well over $1,000. And I'm just going to take you up here to my team, just so you can see how fast this team is building that we have here. I'm going to show you this. You can see right here I have 16 personally enrolled customers and affiliates. 10 of them came in this month. And then if I go down to all, and these are all the new affiliates that are in my matrix, people that from my personal referrals and from spillover. All right, look at this. 298 new affiliates have come in to this opportunity under my matrix. All right, and when you add in the ones from December, it's a total of the 334 that I just showed you. And if you look at my matrix list here, you will see that my first level is full, my second level is full, my third level is full. I need 3 more people to complete my 4th level. But then look at down here, my 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, all of these levels have all these people in them already. So anyway, this is, you know, if you're on the fence about whether to join this or not, or if you're thinking it's a scam or something like that, I can 100% assure you that it is not. This is a completely, perfectly legal business. It's registered in the state of Florida. The CEO and founder, Ben Glinsky, has been in this industry for over 25 years. He's built huge companies. He's sold companies. He's paid out almost $1 billion in commissions to his affiliates that he had in these companies. And the team behind LiveGood is 100% top-notch in my book, okay? And not only that, the products are awesome. Let me just show you these products that we have here. Show you some examples of the products that we have here while I'm on this. All right, let's look at this CBD oil really quick. Now, we all know companies that sell CBD oil for $60, $70, $80, $120 a bottle, right? When you become a member of LiveGood, for a 750 milligram, we have a natural and a peppermint flavor. You're only going to pay $18, okay? And this is the highest quality CBD oil, full spectrum CBD oil on the market, okay? $18 a bottle. If you're just a retail customer, you don't want to be a member, $28 a bottle. And look at this, folks, 1,500 milligrams, $26 a bottle. If you're a member, retail price is $36 a bottle. All right? Look at the comparison down here. Green Roads is selling a 550 milligram bottle of CBD oil for $90. This is 750 milligrams for $18. Young Living, 500 milligrams, even less than the Green Roads, $79.95. All right, and believe me, I've been using these products. I placed my order when I joined. I received my first shipment on December 28th. I've been taking the organic coffee, the super reds, the super greens, and the essential aminos every single day since December 28th. In fact, I've had a second shipment come in already. So I can't say enough good things about this company. I've never seen success like this so quickly in all my 16 years. I have people on my team who have never made a single penny online who have people in their matrix already. They're earning money. So it's incredible to see these stories that are coming out from this company, and I'm just honored to be a part of it. So if you want more information about LiveGood, you can click on the link down in the description box. You'll be taken over to my tour page that looks like this. All right, we have a 5-minute and 55-second video right here that goes over everything in great detail, and then you can reserve your position today in our matrix by entering your first, last name, email, clicking reserve my position. You can also see there's no cost to reserve your free position, and you can opt out at any time. All right, so if you have any questions about any of this, please leave them down in the comments section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you find any value in any of my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.